So like I said earlier, we are going to bleed the brakes. I want all this old fluid out of here before I put the new brakes in. So I'm just going to start right here. I'm going to use this here vacuum pump. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this vacuum bleeder that I'm not really fond of. I literally do a better job with a Gatorade bottle and a piece of hose. For this, however, it works pretty good. We're going to suck the fluid out of here. This works better. I don't think I was going to be able to find my turkey baster, but ta-da! So much faster. Quieter too. These obviously only have a short shelf life. Brake fluid. For jobs like this, they're perfect. Oh my god, this stuff is black. That's why I'm replacing everything. Although, even though the brake master looks new, I do not like the color of this in here. I went to bleed the brakes yesterday, and the front caliper was completely clogged. The banjo fitting, the bleeder valve was completely closed. I had to run a piece of wire through it. So I'm really not worried about contaminating this fluid because I'm about to flush it out, but I really want to get this black stuff out of here. I don't want this black stuff running through the new fluid. I think my new master cylinder has a new reservoir on it, so that'll be good. So this initial bleed is just put new fluid through it. I don't want to hook up all my new stuff and run the old crusty fluid through it to get to the new fluid. I want new fluid to be right on top as soon as I put in the new calipers and hoses, put the cylinders in the back. I want everything new fluid. So that's why we're doing this first. Okay. Hope I got enough here to do it. Probably not. That ain't no good. The foil came out. So we're gonna hook this end on the bleeder. This will go to a vacuum. Wrench is on. Okay. That's a big bleeder. Maybe that's why I haven't had luck with it. I've only used it on small little bleeders. Wow. Broke my glove. Trying to put it on. Goodness. That is tough. Alright. I'm going to do this for a while. Okay, I'm starting to see clean the fluid come through. Do this 3 more times. Alright, so we're seeing clean fluid come through, so we're going to move over to the next side. Okay, we have all the brakes bled. Some nasty stuff right there. That's some dark, yucky stuff. Some of you may be thinking there's no way I bled the brakes. I only got that much out. I did bleed the brakes yesterday a couple times. So you gotta take that into consideration when you look at how much is there, because there is, another bottle that is full of nasty fluid. So yeah, they're all bled. That's not how I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it as there's fresh fluid from the top to the bottom to every wheel right now. So when I put everything in, everything's got fresh fluid in it. Good morning. Got a big job today. Replacing the whole brake system. First thing I'm going to start with is our master cylinder. So I just flushed the whole system out with good fluid. So I'm going to pull this out, reuse it probably just for my bleeding bottle. I've got another full bottle. So this should all still be good and clear. Yeah, it's just beautiful. So the first thing we're going to start with is collecting this old fluid, and then I'm going to take the new master cylinder and I'm going to bleed it on my hitch mount bracket that I made. Okay, so I have my master cylinder clamped in here. They tell you not to clamp it. I got it real light. I'm more going to be, let's go to bleed it. I'm going to be pressing the ears against the vise here. I just kind of got it clamped just to kind of hold it in place. So I'm going to fill it. We're going to wait about 7 to 12 minutes until we start seeing fluid coming from the outlets. Right now we're just going to let the fluid condition the seals, get them ready, and then, oh, we already got fluid. That was quick. I'm going to just just kind of tap it on there. So I got fluid coming out of this side, so I'm going to plug this side up. It says just plug it until it bottoms out. Don't over tighten. I guess we're just going to wait for this one to start dripping out. And then we'll wait our 10 minutes, I guess, before we bleed it. Okay, let's crack everything loose. Alright, we just kind of play the waiting game until, oh, we're dripping. Awesome. Okay, let's get ready to bleed the master. So what we are going to do is we're going to take our blunt tipped tool, which is a screwdriver, and we're going to push the piston in 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch, and then we're going to hold it for 3 seconds, and then we're going to slowly release, and then we're going to wait 10 seconds and do it again. So this is where I have to hope my clamp is going to hold the piston in. There we go. And we'll do it one more time and be done. Okay, so now take this beautiful beast to the truck. Okay, let's switch him out. Let's see. Switch you over here. Wrong side. Okay. Pull that out. Beautiful. You can sit right there. Get a new one. Okay, the master is in. So up to this point we did our rear ABS delete. We took our rear brake line and connected it straight to the proportioning valve. We did have to cut the line on the truck and the line going to the ABS so we can switch the fittings. Now we have a new master cylinder. I'm going to seal the master. I've got brake fluid everywhere. I'm going to hit it with some Dawn and water. And we're going to rinse that off. part one's done. Maybe this cap, maybe we'll hold it as a spare. And now I get to jack this thing up and start replacing the rest of the brakes.